Hello there guys, and welcome to the second part of Chess Basics. In the first part we discussed about pawns. I'm putting the link of the first part down in the description below, and if you haven't already, be sure to check it out if you want to learn the basics about pawns. So the pieces we're going to be discussing in this second video are called rooks. Now the rooks are placed at the four corners of the board like this. The best thing about rooks is that they can move any number of vacant squares, both vertically and horizontally. If any of your opponent's piece blocks either of the paths of your rook, just move the rook to the occupied square and the other player's piece will be long gone. But you gotta remember one important thing. Rooks cannot jump over pieces. So for example, if one of your pieces is between your rook and your opponent's piece, this move is not going to work, guys. You cannot capture that piece of your opponent. So this is it, guys. These were the basics about rooks, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.